Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. If you are visiting our channel for the first time, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get our latest notifications. Today, I am here to answer to few frequently asked questions by our viewers. They are: number 1, how to join in our group; number 2, how to apply or contact for any notification; number 3, how to search the jobs by location and as well as qualification; and number 4, what is the purpose of our site?
Let me answer to the first question. WhatsApp group. So our website name is capage.in. Once you search that in a Google tab, it will direct to our website. The dashboard will be appears like this. As soon as you enter into our site, you can able to see the pop-up where you can able to find the Telegram group link as well as the WhatsApp group link. You can join any of these. So if you click on the Telegram group, it will direct you to the Telegram app where you can able to join in our official group. And as well as if you click on the WhatsApp group link, it will direct you to open with WhatsApp or WhatsApp business. Once you click on the any of this, then it will direct you to existing group that we have set it over there. So once you click on the join group, then you can able to join in that particular group. Not only through pop-up, we can able to join through the header that we have arranged here. Just click on join here, then it will direct you, ask you WhatsApp or WhatsApp business. Just click on WhatsApp, then it will open to the WhatsApp group where you can able to join. Like this you can able to share to your friends also. Let me answer to the second question, how to contact or apply for any notification. I am taking Tech Mahindra as an example. Once you open the full article, you can see the title and introduction of the post at the top, and we have given summary and vacancy details where you can able to see complete details like post name, company name, location, qualification, experience and number of notifications, and the salary offered by the company. And also if the company disclosed any further information such as contact number or email id or walk-in details, we will mention here. If that is not the case, once you scroll down, you can see the description of the role. Then at the end of the article you can see click here for notification and apply, which is the source link of the notification. Once you click on it, you will be directed to the official source link where you can able to find more details, and from here you can register with your resume and apply to the particular post as per the eligible criteria. So like this you have to check all the details we have provided and ensure whether it's a walk-in or a telephonic interview or a virtual interview or online application, and proceed likewise. Let me answer to the third question, how to search the jobs by location and qualification. This is the dashboard of our CAPS dashing. Here you can see the menu option at the left top corner. Click on it, where you can able to find jobs page, article page, location and contact us. If you want to search the jobs by your location, click on plus button of the location where you can able to see most of the cities. Just click on it, city you decide, and it will direct you to the jobs of the particular city. Here you go, you can able to see only Coimbatore jobs. Likewise you can able to see any notification. If you want to search by qualification, go to menu bar, click on jobs page and select your qualification. Someone let us say CA, enter. Then it will be direct you to only that particular qualification jobs. Like this you can able to apply the filters as per your requirement.
And the final question is, what is the purpose of CAPage.in? CAPage.in main motto is to act as a bridge between employer and employee. We are not a consultancy and we are not charging single penny to any of our viewers. And also, we are getting nothing from any company. We are giving quality information regarding job notification to our visitors from past 3 years. We expect your support more hereafter. We will try all possible ways to guide you either through our website or our YouTube channel. Soon we will come to live to answer your remaining questions. Thank you. Please subscribe and share to your friends.